So essentially, my first injury to my ankle was a fracture, which was when I was skiing at about 21 years old. Um, Everything seemed to be fine, and then about 4 or 5 years ago, I sprained my ankle very, very badly. It was banded as a four category, so it was very bruised, very swollen, and then ever since then it's just been twisting very easily. So I've always had to wear flat shoes.
Where is it hurting at the moment?
It is hurting here
Yeah.
and here, but mostly here.
Okay. Okay, so we've given you the injection, so what do you think? You can move it better?
Yeah, I can move it better. It doesn't hurt as much, and the swelling has gone down.
Okay, let me see you stand up and walk on it, see if it's what you think of that. I know you haven't got your shoes on, but just you can tell even by just walking on it.
Oh wow, yeah.
Is it better?
Definitely better.